Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand and I'm having a spa day at home. Going to salons to get waxed can be such a waste of time. It takes so much time to drive over there and wait for your appointment, and then here comes the pain. Forget that. I'm going to do my waxing at home from now on because I found a new revolutionary waxing system. I'm going to show you how this works. You can be the hairless newborn you once were. Nad's Ultra Smoothing Exfoliating Wax Strips are the most unique in the whole wide world, and I'm going to show you why. It's the world's first hair removal wax strip with an exfoliating feature. It's all in one. And after you use it, your skin is silky soft. This is a specially created salon quality wax strip, and it's infused with pomegranate and grapefruit extracts. It smells great. And with those special extracts, it makes it perfect for sensitive skin like mine. Let me show you how it works. Check out the hair on my arm. I have so much hair on my arm. I've always been really furry growing up. It's been one of my embarrassments. That's why I wear long sleeves a lot. And it's on both arms. Look at that one. So I'm going to show you how it works on this part of me today. My hair's blonde, so I'm lucky, but still, it bugs me. And I also think the hair on my arms and other places on my body makes me look older. So let's do this. First step is you gotta have clean skin. Then you take the exfoliating side of the wax strip, and we're gonna use that to exfoliate the area we're gonna use the wax strip on. So rub it around in circular motions on all that area you're gonna wax. 30 seconds should be just fine. Time for rub-a-dub-dub. You wanna warm the wax strip up by rubbing it. Just 10 seconds is gonna make it soft to pull off the hairs. So after 10 seconds, we're gonna peel it apart. And you're gonna have two sides to take that hair off. So then just lay it on the part you want your hair removed. And we're gonna smooth over in the direction of the hair growth about 3 or 4 times because you want it to adhere as tightly as you can to your skin and that hair. You get everything you need in the box for this. They package the wax strips in plastic to retain moisture, and also you get these really great wipes. Those wipes are a great gel to put on after to cool your skin. It's very inexpensive to do waxing like this at home, and these strips make it so easy. Okay, time to pull it off. And you're gonna pull these off fast, the opposite direction of the hair growth. You would hold your skin taut, and on my legs I do that. But on my arm, I only got 2 arms. Can't do that. 1, 2, 3, pull. There, look at that. That is as soft as a baby's behind. There is no hair left. All the hair came off on the wax strip. So fold it up, rub it together, and when it's hot again, unpeel it and keep going to your next area. You get to reuse these until it doesn't work anymore, which is about 3 or 4 times. So one package of this will last a long time. So smooth it down 4 more times and let it rip for another smooth part of my arm. Look at that. That's amazing. Check out the arm I haven't done yet. It's all rough. I feel all those hairs in there to the one I just did. It is so smooth and soft. Wow, what a difference. And now I'm going to use one of my post-wax oil wipes. So take it out of the package, unwrap it, and then I wipe that on the area I just waxed. It feels great. That waxing didn't hurt at all, and these feel great too. I always get nervous at the salon. I get really tense and I'm a little scared. This is a real gentle waxing system. Every box of Nad's Ultra Smoothing Exfoliating Wax Strips comes in a quantity of 20. And that's a whole lot of waxing that you can do. I still have the second side to do for my second arm. I even like it to get the mustache off the top of my upper lip. You get the idea. And it goes every other place in your body as well, just in case you need to get to Brazil anytime soon. My arm is ultra smooth. And when I do other parts of my body, it also prevents any ingrown hairs. And if there is one, it gets it out. Since it gets all the hair by the roots, it lasts for up to 8 weeks till you have to do it again. And your hair comes back even softer than if you were shaving. This is a much smoother result than I would get from other wax strips. You get to buff and wax all in one. So click the link below to get your Nad's Ultra Smooth Exfoliating Wax Strips and subscribe to my channel and ring my bell to get notified of my new videos. For more recipes in life, like recipes to defer yourself and do it at home with the best wax strips ever invented. Yes! Woo.